Creating new content is super time consuming, and it takes a lot of effort. The problem is, we're trapped inside of a culture that glorifies the new, instead of reflecting back on the old. But content reoptimization could mean more traffic for less effort and get you a higher overall domain authority. Today, we're talking blogs. Ready to get that old content ranking? Let's dive in. There's a few ways that you could give an old post some reoptimization lovin'. Did that old dino of a post have its own target keywords? Doubtful. That, or it was so stuffed with keywords that it's embarrassing. Maybe it's only 300 words and light on links. Or perhaps it has a really huge hero image, or no images at all. These are just some of the considerations that I mentioned in my blog post, all about blog optimization. Get your tush on over to Impulse Creative's blog to learn more.